I made this infographic from raw client data, no Canva, no designer, under 2 minutes. I used to spend hours in Canva scrolling through templates that don't fit, adjusting every element by hand, just to deliver one infographic to a client. So I replaced my entire Canva workflow with ChatGPT Image 2.0 on real client data. And what happened? Honestly, wasn't what I expected. If you are a freelancer, you know this situation. Client sends data, you open Canva, you are on your third template, still does not fit, time is gone. In this video, I will show you the exact prompts I used step by step, and I will show you one thing about this tool that most people making videos about it are completely skipping over. Here's the setup. I have a client dataset in Google Sheets, 5 tables covering website traffic, lead generation, social media, ad campaigns, and email performance. This data is from 2025. But the process works exactly the same for any year, any client. What matters is the workflow. We are going to run 3 prompts, each one more complex than the last. Let's go! First, open ChatGPT and type this prompt. I will show you exactly what I used, and stop right here at this line. Use this data. Don't hit enter yet. Now go to Google Sheets, select your data and copy it, all of it, exactly as it is. Come back to ChatGPT and paste it directly below the use this data line. No reformatting, no cleaning up, straight from Google Sheets. Then add your design requirements at the bottom. Tell it exactly how you want it to look. The more specific, the better the output. Now click on this plus symbol and choose create image, and then choose the aspect ratio of the image. Hit enter and now watch. There it is, complete Q1 performance report, data table, line charts, KPI highlights, professional footer, all accurate, all from one prompt. 2 hours of Canva work gone. Here's something most people don't know. You can edit the output directly inside ChatGPT. I just swapped 2 entire sections with one line, no Canva, no manual dragging, and it goes further than this. You can change the image ratio or use the select tool to edit just one specific part of the infographic without touching anything else. One line, done. Prompt 2. Social media comparison across 4 platforms. Same process, same structure, prompt, paste data, design requirements. Notice I told it to use each platform brand's colors. Small detail, big difference. Let's see what it does. Look at this. Instagram pink, LinkedIn blue, Facebook blue, TikTok black. All correct. No hex codes from me. And it picked TikTok as the overall winner automatically, based purely on the numbers. The key insight section at the bottom, I never asked for that. It added it because the data supported it. This is a deliverable you send to a client right now. 0 edits. 2 prompts, 2 client-ready infographics. Now here's the part I promised. The things nobody else is talking about. For prompt 3, I gave it everything, all 5 tables, all the data at once. I wanted to see exactly how far this tool can go. 5 full dataset, 1 prompt. I asking it to build a complete marketing dashboard in a single infographic. This is the stress test. Let's see what happens. Okay, honest answer. It handled all 5 tables. Every data point is accurate, and for how much data this is, the layout is actually impressive. But down here, this is where it gets crowded. When you overload it with everything at once, the visual hierarchy breaks down. A client would struggle to know where to look first. Too much competing in one frame. So here's the rule. ChatGPT Image 2.0 is exceptional for one focused dataset. 1 story per infographics. The moment you ask it to tell 5 stories at once, it gets crowded. The fix: split your client data into separate infographics. 1 for traffic, 1 for social, 1 for campaign. Cleaner report, better output, happier client. Here are all 3 prompts. Pause and copy each one. So did ChatGPT Image 2.0 replace Canva for me? for single focus infographic completely. I'm not going back for complex dashboard, split your data, run separate prompt. That's my honest answer from my side. If you want to take this further, I made a video on how to create full presentation slides instantly from research using Notebook LM and Gemini AI. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.